So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our FX project tutorial. Now I'm gonna show you the license model and how to set a profile for your employee group. So, if you can see here, this is our program menu. With a click here, you also see all the programs which are defined for this user, Florian Geyer. The whole system includes 140 programs, and it's up to you to say which group of persons should have which programs in this FX project. So let's do this. If we go here on the settings, you can use profiles and said, okay, we define a new profile name. Okay, so let's call it test profile. Okay, so you see here you have also the same buttons like in every menu in FX project. So now click save. So now here we have our user group, our profile, test profile, and we have 0 points for this profile. So now I'm gonna show you what it has to do with these points. So we go back here on the settings, profiles, and now we assign programs to these profiles. We say, okay, assign program to profiles. Now here we have our profile, test profile. We take this one, and I also take another one. I take here project leader standard. So I'm going to show you the difference. Click select. So now here you see an overview of the license points which are in this client here. It's client number 65. We have 10,000 points in this client. We have here 2,415 remaining points. And you see here, these are all the programs in FX project. And here we have the points per program. Here for the control center, we need 10 points. So we can say which programs should be in our test profile. So we say, okay, control center. Then we can say he has to define projects and the matrix. Here we see all these programs which are red. They are not connected to any of these two projects here in our view. Then let's say our test profile, he should make time recording per day and per week. So here you can choose between these two possibilities. You have to look what's the best for your company. It can be that you say, okay, they have to do it daily in a separate mask here, or you can say they have to make it in an overview for the whole week. Okay, now here we can say yes, he gets both of these programs. Okay, now you see here we have this program 25 points, here 15 points. Here we have 10 points, 75 points, and there are more. There are two more here. Here are these points for the user settings and password. So there are 10 points always for every user. So now we have 135 points for our test profile. If we say save, now we can say okay. Here in this user administration, we can say okay, now we assign user to the profiles. So let's call Max Mustermann. Now he has 230 points. It's because we said that he has this profile project worker extended. So we can switch it off and can say, okay, now he has our test profile. Okay. Now you see he has 135 points. You also can give him several profiles. So we said, okay, the test profile is for him, and he also gets, let's say, project leader standard, and you click OK. Then you see here now it's 465 points. Always, if you give him profiles and inside of these profiles there are programs more than one time, it only counts the first time. So you don't have to pay for programs more than one time. Okay? So then let's get back to the control center, and in the next video we start to create a new project.